Set safe price limits on your repricing rules. Here's how. Repricing rules follow your competitors automatically. A stop condition is the safety limit that keeps them from ever applying a price you don't want. Open your rule and move to step 5, conditions. Between the stock condition and the price matching switches sits the rule stop condition, off by default. Switch it on, then choose when the rule must stop. When the new price falls lower, climbs higher, or leaves a range. Let's start with is lower. Then pick the reference price. Your price min, max, or your cost. We'll use my cost. Click the plus to fine-tune it. Plus 10% stops any price below cost, plus a 10% margin. The line underneath restates your rule in plain English. Choose the double-sided option and the stop condition becomes a guardrail around each product's min and max prices. Below, you decide where those values come from. Read from your catalog or calculated from markup, cost, price, or MAPI. Here, min is price minus 20%, max is price plus 20, now with a live example on real numbers. Two more switches skip pointless runs, when your price is already in position or when it already equals your competitors. One last thing, Pricefy won't apply prices without a stop condition and a preview. Miss either and you'll see this checklist instead. Set your limits first, then reprice with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@price-fy.io.